I mean, the White Tapa in our village.
I am the son of Chief Odimilbo. I was never poor. I am not poor, and I can never be.
No, I don't like it. Look, what is that? You become enemy of that when my lord want to chat, you just come there and I discovered her first. You just came yesterday.
So, after assessing me and my worth, Lexus 350 is what you deem fit to propose to me?
I should propose to you with formative GLK or nothing. Are you getting married to me or my family name? You're saying what will people think or say when they see you driving a 350 Lexus? Are you getting married to people or me? I don't have formative to propose to you. If you cannot manage 350, to your tent always.
Can my wife one day just go to the market and stay there